What's up guys and welcome back to Betting Slots to Play. We are on Slime Party. I'm on a Habanero roll. So yeah guys, 100 in the balance. Let's try some spins, see if we can get something from Slime Party. Haven't played this one before, but I've seen some people win great stuff on this game. So yeah, thank you for joining me on the session guys. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, leave a like and a comment if you enjoy content like this, or if you just wanna join me on Betting Slots to Play. Oh, 40 cent. I don't want to do 40 cent, man. Let's do 120. Oh. 150 spins. Let's see, guys. So tell me, guys, what type of games do you play? How has the slots been treating you guys? Because I've been on an up and down session, guys. The fruits did nothing for me. So we are on a Habanero roll right now. Come on, give us the feature. Let's see if Slime Party can do something for us. Yo, brah, that stuff pays little. Oh, where's the multi on that, little devils? Yo, brah. Only $6. Yo, that should be something. Big win. What is a big win? 21 bucks. 12 rand. 18 bucks. It's a big win. Okay. Can we get a feature now? If only we can get that type of multis with those premium symbols, man. That'd be great. Oh, bruh, the stuff pays little. 5 cents. Did the multis disappear somehow now or what? Yo, bruh. There's a lot of angels, but yo, bruh, not enough multis. Back to starting balance, 13 spins left. 2, 4. Slime Party, come on, man. You only have 10 spins left. Give us the feature. Yes, thank you. Now we need the multis, come on. We need big multis, man. Big multis and retricks, come on. That's what we need. Yo, brah, you are playing with me now. 4 spins left, come on. You don't want. There's a big win. 26 bucks, not bad. Can we get that with the premiums? Come on, man. The angels or the devil thingies. Don't tease with the. Come on, give the retrick, man. Your mother was somewhere. 30 bucks of that. So let's play down to about back to starting balance. Let's give it 30 spins. It was a decent feature. But I've seen people win like massive on this game, man. Especially when you get that retricks, but with that a lot of not multis, like scatters. 5 of them. We need 5 of them. And a bunch of retricks. It would be great if we can spin into another feature. Come on, you only have 9 spins left, come on. Come on, feature, baby, feature. Yes. 7 free spins. We need a retrix, man. Come on. Retrix and a lot of multis. A retrix and a lot of multis. Come on. Bruh, don't tease, man. Give it. No, but are you teasing too much now? I don't think this one is gonna pay. For 16 bucks, not bad. Okay, you earn yourself another 20 spins. You've earned yourself another 20 spins. But you don't want to pay us like for real, man. Come on. Give the skater. We need 5 skaters, man. That's what I want. I want 5 skaters. Your angel thing is only times 2 with them. Come on, I want 5 skaters. You have 8 spins to do it in. 7. 5, come on. 3. Okay. Spin it down to back to starting balance. Last spin, nothing. But yeah, guys, this was Slime Party. Yeah, thank you for joining me on the session, guys. This was Slime Party. Not a bad game, not a bad game. It's a game I will come back to. But yeah, thank you for joining me on the session, guys. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, leave a like and a comment if you enjoy content like this, or if you just want to join me on Betting Slots to Play. But from me to you on Betting Slots to Play, ciao for now.